हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती आणि मी तुमची खुशी मॅम. आज तुम्हाला इयत्ता 7वीतील विज्ञानातील तिसरा धडा प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस या धड्याच्या स्वाध्यायावरील उत्तरे घेऊन आलेली आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. फिल इन द ब्लँक्स विथ दी ॲप्रोप्रिएट टर्म. 1. The capacity of air to hold moisture depends upon the humidity of the air. 2. Water does not have a shape but has definite density and mass. While freezing, the density of water is lowered. 4th, neutral soil has pH 7. Question number 2. Why is it said that A. Air is a homogeneous mixture of various gases? Answer. Air is called a homogeneous mixture because it is made up of different gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, and water vapor, and these gases are uniformly mixed. The composition of air is the same throughout, so we cannot see or separate the different gases with our eyes. B. Water is a universal solvent. Answer. Water is called a universal solvent because it can dissolve a large number of substances such as salt, sugar, and many other solids, liquid, and gases. Therefore, water is known as the universal solvent. C. There is no alternative to water for cleaning purposes. Answer. Water is called the best cleaning agent because it dissolves dirt and many impurities. It also mixes well with soap and detergents, helping to remove dust, grease, and stain from clothes, utensils, and our body. Therefore, there is no effective alternative to water for cleaning purposes. Question number 3. What will happen if A. The amount of water vapor in the air increases? Answer. If the amount of water vapor in the air increases, the humidity of the air increases. As a result, the air feels hot and sticky, and when the water vapor cools, it condenses to form clouds which may leads to rainfall. B. Only one crop is grown repeatedly in the soil. Answer. If only one crop is grown repeatedly in the same soil, the soil loses the nutrients needed by that crop. As a result, the soil becomes less fertile and the crop yield decreases. Therefore, different crops should be grown in rotation to maintain soil fertility. Question number 4. With whom should I pair up? Group A. Answer. Air, scattering of light, water, excretion, soil, plasticity. Question number 5. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. Sandy soil has low capacity for holding water. Answer. True. B. The substance in which a solute dissolves is called a solvent. Answer. True. C. The pressure excreted by air is called atmospheric pressure. Answer. True. Question number 6. Explain the pictures in your own words. Answer. Image A represents a crevice or crack which is filled with water, whereas image B represents a crevice which has ice. It is evident from both the images that in image B, the width of the crevice increases as the water in the crevice freezes. This is one of the properties of water due to which it expands upon freezing. This expansion in water after freezing result in the widening of the crack in image B. Question number 7. Write answers to the following question in your own words. A. How is light scattered by the air? Answer. Air contains tiny particles such as dust, water vapors, and gas molecules. When sunlight passes through the air, these tiny particles scatter the light in different directions. Blue light is scattered more than other colors because its wavelength is shorter. Therefore, the sky appears blue during the daytime. B. Explain the various properties of water. Answer. Water has many important properties. Water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. Water has no fixed shape. It takes the shape of container in which it is kept. Water is universal solvent because it dissolves many substances. Pure water is transparent, so light can passes through it. Water exists in three states: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor. Water is essential for all living organisms. C. Why is the density of seawater more than that of rainwater? Answer. Seawater contains a large amount of dissolved salts and minerals, while rainwater contains very few dissolved substances. Because of the dissolved salts, seawater has more mass in the same volume, so its density is higher than that of rainwater. D. What is the importance of good soil structure? Answer. A good soil structure allows air and water to move easily through the soil. It helps the roots of plants grow well and absorb water and nutrients. Good soil structure also improves soil fertility and supports healthy plant growth, resulting in the better crop production. E. What are the various uses of soil? Answer. Soil is very useful in our daily life. Its main uses are: it provides nutrients and support for the growth of plants and crops. It is used for agriculture and gardening. It is used to make bricks, tiles, pots, and other earthen articles. It is used in the construction of houses, roads, and buildings. It is the natural habitat of many organisms such as earthworm, ants, and microorganisms. F. What is the need and importance of soil testing from the point of view of farmers? Answers. Soil testing helps farmer know the fertility and nutrient content of the soil. It tells them which nutrient are lacking and what type of fertilizer should be used. This helps farmers use fertilizers properly, increase crop production, reduce unnecessary expenses, and keep the soil healthy. G. What is the importance of air in transmission of sound? Answer. Air is an important medium for the transmission of sound. Sound travels through air from one place to another and reaches our ears. If there is no air vacuum, sound cannot travel. Therefore, air is essential for us to hear sounds. H. Why should a glass bottle completely filled with water never be kept in a freezer? Answer. When water is cooled in a freezer, it freezes and changes into ice. Ice occupies more space than liquid water because water expands on freezing. If a glass bottle is completely filled with water, the expanding ice creates pressure on the bottle, which may cause the glass bottle to crack or break. तर इथे आपल्या स्वाध्यायावरील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे झालेली आहेत. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर चॅनलला प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा, व्हिडिओ लाईक करा, शेअर करा. काय डाऊट असेल तर कमेंट सेक्शनमध्ये नक्की विचारा. भेटूया नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.